हेलो फ्रेंड्स। तो आज हम लोग अपने इस करंट अफेयर्स के वीडियो में शुरुआत करने जा रहे हैं। आज 24 सितंबर का करंट अफेयर्स हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। तो बिना कोई टाइम वेस्ट किए अपने करंट अफेयर्स की हम शुरुआत करते हैं। तो नेशनल न्यूज़ की अगर हम बात करें तो पहला है इंडिया ट्रिम्स रिक्लेमिंग 297 एंटिक्विटीज फ्रॉम यूएस। तो नरेंद्र मोदी जी के रिसेंट विजिट टू यूएस के दौरान जितने भी आपके पुराने एंटिक्विटीज़ थे या पुराने जो भी भारतीय धरोहरें थी, उन्हें यूएस अथॉरिटी द्वारा इंडिया को हैंड ओवर किया जाएगा, जिनकी संख्या 297 है। ठीक है। दूसरा है नेशनल सिंपोजियम एक्सरसाइज आइकिया ऑन डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट। ठीक है। नेशनल डिज़ास्टर मैनेजमेंट अथॉरिटी in collaboration with the Southern Command of the Army is organized a two-day national symposium exercise IKEA on disaster management. It aims to improve disaster preparedness and response through collaboration between various stakeholders. तीसरा, इंडिया अनवेल्स CSIRT पावर टू फोर्टिफाई sector against cyber threat. In a significant move to safeguard India's critical power infrastructure, Union Minister Manohar Lal inaugurated the Computer Security Incident Response Team CSIRT, right? Computer Security Incident Response Team power at Northern Regional Power Committee in New Delhi to serve the responsible agency for responding to and preventing cyber security incidents in the power sector. FCRA license of International Cooperative Alliance cancelled. Foreign Contribution Regulation Act license of the International Cooperative Alliance ICA was cancelled by Union Home Ministry for alleged rule violation. The ICA, established in 1895, is an APEC body representing cooperatives worldwide and has over 1 billion members. President Draupadi Murmu inaugurates 16th ASOSI Assembly. President Draupadi Murmu will inaugurate 16th Assembly of Asian Organization of Supreme Audit Institution ASOSAI. Asian Organization of Supreme Audit of Institution on September 24 in New Delhi. This is significant event marking the beginning of crucial discussions centered on the evolving role of Supreme Audit Institution. इंटरनेशनल न्यूज़ की अगर हम बात करें तो न्यू ग्लोबल क्लाइमेट लॉस एंड डैमेज फंड नेम फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर. The Fund for Responding to Loss and Damage aim at assisting countries ravaged climate-driven disaster has appointed Ibrahima Cheikh Diong, a Sinhalese finance specialist and dual US citizen, as its first director. The fund, created in 2022 under the United Nations Convention on Climate Change (UNFCCC), is administered by the World Bank and representative of significant win for developing nations who have long pushed for support against the climate disasters. Wealthy nations had resisted this fund, fearing it would lead to compensation of demands for their greenhouse gas emission. फिर रशिया चाइना वॉरशिप enters Sea of Okhotsk for drills. China will hold joint naval and air drills with Russia on the Sea of Japan and Sea of Okhotsk, along with two countries carrying out a joint maritime patrol in Pacific. It was started with joint Russian-Chinese naval exercise that would include anti-aircraft and anti-submarines. अपॉइंटमेंट रिलेटेड न्यूज़ की अगर बात है तो कलिकेश सिंह Deo elected as a National Rifle Association of India president. The National Rifle Association of India has ushered a leadership new era of with the election of Kalikesh Narayan Singh Deo as its president. This significant event took place during a general body meeting held at Constitution Club uh, on Saturday, making a pivotal moment of the organization's history. Alok Ranjan appointed as NCRB chief. Senior IPS officer Alok Ranjan and Amit Garg have been appointed as head of the National Crime Record Bureau (NCRB) and the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel National Police Academy respectively. ठीक है, आलोक रंजन और फिर उसके बाद इसकी डिटेल्स है तो उसके बारे में बताऊंगा नहीं। डिफेंस न्यूज़ तो डिफेंस मिनिस्टर राजनाथ सिंह इनॉग्रेट सैनिक स्कूल इन जयपुर राजस्थान। डिफेंस मिनिस्टर Rajnath Singh inaugurated Sainik School in Jaipur, Rajasthan on September 23, 2024 as part of government plan to establish 100 new Sainik school. Right. Deputy CM Diya Kumari and Colonel Rajwardhan Rathore retired were also present at the event. Banking related news की अगर बात करें तो KVS Mania assumes office as a Federal Bank CEO. KVS Manian has officially taken charge as a managing director of and CEO of Federal Bank Executive. September 23, 2024, he succeeds Shyam Srinivasan, who retired after successfully leading the bank since 2010. Maniam joins Federal Bank following a distinguished career at Kotak Mahindra Bank, where he worked as for 25 years and played a key role in its transformation from non-banking financial companies. JK Lakshmi Cement and Rohit Sharma celebrate 5 years of association. The partnership of JK Lakshmi and Indian cricketer Rohit Sharma has entered its 5th consecutive years. फिर है सेबी इम्पोजेज ₹1 करोड़ फाइन ऑन जय अनमोल अंबानी रिलायंस होम फाइनेंस केस. The Security Exchange Board of India have fined Jay Anmol Ambani ₹1 crore for irregulation in Reliance Home Finance, alleging he approved ₹40 crore in unsecured loans. SEBI asserted he misrepresented his involvement in company's operations. अवार्ड रिलेटेड न्यूज़ की अगर मैं बात करूं तो ओडिशा स्विमर प्रत्याशा राय टू गेट एकलव्य पुरस्कार. Emerging swimmer Pratyasha Rai has been selected for 32nd Eklavya Puraskar for 2024 for her achievement in swimming. Pratyasha Rai, a promising talent in the field of swimming with a remarkable track record, has been selected for the first year. ठीक है. Riya Singha from Gujarat wins Miss Universe India 24 title. ठीक है. तो रिया सिन्हा, 90-year-old model from Gujarat, was crowned Miss Universe India 2024 in Jaipur. She will represent India at Global Miss Universe competition in Mexico. The 19-year-old Gujarati beauty Riya Sinha was recently crowned Miss Universe India in 2024. Miscellaneous news की बात करें तो माना विलेज selected for landmark tribal development scheme. Landmark tribal development scheme. The प्रधानमंत्री जनजातीय उन्नत ग्राम अभियान, a groundbreaking initiative by the central government of India, has chosen Mana village in Joshimath block of Chamoli district for implementation. India unveils first CO2 to methanol pilot plant. तो फाउंडेशन the foundation stone for India's its first kind of CO2 methanol pilot plant with overall capacity of 1.4 ton per day was unveiled virtually by Professor Abhay Karandikar, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, at Thrimax Limited premise in Pune, महाराष्ट्र। तो ये था आज का करंट अफेयर्स। मिलते हैं आपसे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अपना ध्यान रखें। थैंक यू।